Good afternoon, everybody. Let's get started. So let's get started. Can I share my screen? Let me see. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, okay. They don't enter. The whole Amiga. The whole Amiga.
Okay, anyway, buy gold now. Buy gold at current market price. Buy gold at current market price. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this level. Okay. Then TPB here. Okay, so if you buy gold at current market price, I think you buy it to the next resistance. Okay. So buying gold is not a bad idea. Yeah. So buying gold at current market price, stop loss is here. Then TP to the next tab. Okay, so let's get started. Sorry, I have to off this. Okay, so let's get started. Good afternoon, everybody. You're welcome. So let's look at USDX very fast to see what we are anticipating in the market. So I'm going to wrap, clean all this. Okay, cleaning all this. Okay, so what are we looking at? We're still looking at the storyline. So the storyline is still bearish, right? So we are still bearish on dollar here. And here, right? So we also have another resistance here. No, here, right? So let's go to daily. Now, for daily time frame, we have this as our resistance, right? So these are weekly areas that we also anticipate rejection. So this is the storyline for daily. We have here, and price comes down to this area. Now, looking at this level, we also have a support. So this is a resistance. So resistance area. Let me use this resistance, right? Another resistance, right? So since we have this resistance, so what are we doing? We are bearish, right? We are currently bearish on dollar. So let's look at weekly. So you can see we have a slight rejections to this area. Price rejected this level. So this level is area where price rejected. So this area, we have a rejection here. And this is also the immediate resistance at this level here. Okay. Right? So this is also another resistance that price closed below. So price closed below here. So definitely we are bearish on dollar. Okay, so price closed below this level. So we are bearish on dollar. Although we have a demand here. So if you look at this level, if we look at this zone, this is a breaker. So I'm going to mark this out. I'm marking this out. This is a what? This is a breaker, right? So if I go to line chart, I'm looking for areas where we can literally have movement. So here, Okay. We see. So this is my highest point of interest, this zone. So this area is what I'm looking at, this zone, right? So if price could not break this zone, then we are selling. Yeah, so we are selling. So see, I'll tap into this level, we sell. So if price does not break this area, so we could have something like this. Price to reject this level and start continue downwards. Okay, continue the journey downwards. So I'm currently bearish on dollar, right? So I'm currently bearish on dollar, and I'll look forward to sell more of dollar, right? Do we have news today? Let me check if we have news. Do we? Yeah, we have news today by 3:45, flash PMI. So we have news today by 3:45, flash PMI. Okay, so let's see. Let's continue. So this is what I'm looking at. So I'll be more bearish on dollar, probably down to this level. So 15 minutes time frame. Let's see if we have rejection. We've had a rejection. So price will still go up to this area. So this is my highest point of interest. You can see we have a liquidity build here. So we also have another liquidity here. So price is taking out this high. This is going, right? So this is going. So I would love to see a pullback probably from here, tap into this area, then we crash the downside. So that's my analysis on dollar. So let's go to gold. Okay, so like I said, you can buy gold at the current market price. You can buy gold at the current market price. You can buy gold at the current market price. Why? Because price rejected to this low, and we also have another rejection of price here. So price try to come below bottom. We also have trend line liquidity. So I'll buy gold up to 2000 or 2007. So quick one, you can buy gold now up to this level. Okay, so you can buy gold up to this level. So here, buy XAUSD at CMP. Oh, SL should be at 1992. It has that on gold. JPY. Let's look at the weekly storyline. Okay, so we've tapped into this, price tapped into this, so we are here. Then I think the storyline is still bullish. So let's say These are obstacles. So this is the storyline. From here, price has tapped into this, then probably we can see more sales to the downside. So daily time frame, let's look at the obstacles. Now, we have seen this area to be a low and this area to be high. So we also have another resistance here. So we also have another resistance here, right? Also another one here. I changed to daily. Now, on this daily time frame, we have some areas that are very, very key. So price has rejected this. We also have another one here. Right? So let's see. 4 hours. So for 4 hours time frame, you could see how price is forming a demand zone here. So where are we going to? I'm still heading to 110 region. So I will look towards for some 4 hours rearrangement. So 4 hours arrangement is here, right? Tap into here, and we also have some demand areas that I'm looking at for this area on 4 hours. So do you have a break of structure? Do you have a trend line liquidity? Let me check. So if we take this trend from up down to this, we have a price rejected at this level. This engulf. Yes. So I'm bullish. I'm bullish on KJPY. Let's see 1 hour time frame to see if we have entrance, but I'm bullish on KJPY. So where will be my entry? I go to line charts, look for tangible areas. So look at here. Look at here. Then also there is a support become resistance level here. So you have a bit of structure. I'm looking for a pullback to probably this level before I buy. Before I think of buying USD, I mean KJPY. So currently on KJPY, we are waiting for a proper retracement of price on KJPY. Let me see. 1, 2. So I'll wait for retracement of any of those lines before I buy KJPY. Okay. So any other pair that you want us to look out for? Any other pair you want us to look out for? Just let me know. Any other pair you want us to look out for? Any other pair? Okay, so daily time frame, here's the card. Now let's look at here's the card weekly. Let's look at the storyline. So here, this is another. Oh, okay. You guys, please, you guys will send me message, not the other admin. Just send me message generally. Okay, so let's look at daily. You have a break here, price break the structure. So definitely we should have a monthly time frame rejection. Yeah, we have a rejection here on monthly time frame. So we are going here. This is the next support. So we are bearish looking at USD card. We are going to sell USD card for a long time. So selling USD card, I'm taking the TP at 11392 from year to year. So I was sitting at 49 pips. No, we haven't. But that was 49 pips. So I'm bearish, militarily, I'm bearish on USD card because the storyline from bearish is from here, the storyline from here is bearish. So I'm bearish on USD card throughout this month. So I'll be looking to also sell. Once I have opportunity, I'll sell. Like if you look at these ones too, we also have resistance here. Price look at this high. There's another resistance. So you can see price is pulling down heavily. So here's the card. I'm bearish on here's the card, and I'm going to sell for a long time. You can see that this support, this is a weak support, right? This is support. Need this. Be broken. Now, if that happens, we're looking towards here. We're looking towards here. Okay, so I'm still bearish. You can see we have a resistance here, short one. So go to daily time frame. Now, if you look at daily time frame also, we will see that price has rejected this level, rejected this zone. So this is no longer fresh. I taps into this. They have another resistance. So this is just like a retracement. I would say this is just like a retracement. So we can see there is another open close level here. The price is rejecting towards. There's a level here that price is rejecting towards. See it here. I think it's here. Yes, yeah. So here's the card. I'll be bearish on here's the card 4 hours time frame. You can see price was unable to break above it. So if you go to 4 hours, I can push it here. Right? So I'm bearish on here's the card. I'll sell here's the card for a long time. So if this current candle closes bearish, you can take a sell on USD cash down to this level. So let me see if you are going to have the trend line confluence. So this guy 15-minute candle closes bearish, you can take a sell. You can take a sell. Okay. So that is that for today's analysis. So somebody said GBP USD. Let's look at GBP USD. So you are still bullish on GBP USD. GBP USD is still on an uptrend. Let me see daily time frame. So I'm still bullish on GBP USD. I'm bullish on GBP USD. Let me look for proper entry. I'm coming. So we've had a retest here. So I'm bullish on GBP USD. The GBP USD, I'm very, very bullish on GBP USD. On our time frame, you can see how price is rejecting these levels. Yes, our price is rejecting this level. So I'm bullish on GBP USD. 2 minutes time frame. Let me see. So all I need is price to break this. Once price breaks this with a proper retest, I'm going to buy GBPUSD. But I'm very, very bullish on GBPUSD. So that is that. Any questions? Let me allow people to unmute. If you have a question, kindly ask. Any question, please? Hello, any questions? Okay, because of no questions, thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful trading session, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Mr. Michael. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Please, if you have any question, maybe later, please, you can forward. I will direct the question to Mr. Michael. Thank you all for joining. Do have a great weekend.